Hi everyone, it's Chef Annie Michael. In this episode, I'm going to show you 2 ways you can enjoy egg and toast for breakfast. Here I have eggs, spring onion, chopped carrots, chopped red onion, chopped sausage, salt to taste, and of course my Cam all-purpose seasoning. With this seasoning, you can cook anything and everything. I add half a teaspoon of Cam all-purpose seasoning, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and mix together. On a very low heat, I drizzle in a little olive oil, then I pour in the egg mix. Gently scoop the edges so your egg comes out neatly without breaking. Add sausage, carrots, spring onion, red onion, and gently fold the egg. That's one. Option 2, I add a little butter. Then I add the sausage, the carrots, the onion, and the spring onion. Half a teaspoon of Cam seasoning and mix together. A quarter teaspoon of salt. Stir fry for a minute and take it out. You don't want to overcook this so it doesn't get soggy. Personally, I like the crunch in carrots, so I barely cook my own carrots. I grease the pan again with a little butter. Now with the remaining egg mix, I put in a slice of bread and rub on both sides. Then into the pan on a very low heat. It's going to toast, then you flip over to the other side. Now back to the sausage stir fry. With a small cutter, I cut out the middle of the bread. I pour the sausage stir fry into the egg mix. Grease the pan with a little butter. Put the bread in the pan and add the egg mixture in the middle. Toast for a minute and flip over. And that's it, ready to eat.